What is a parlay? A parlay is a type of bet where you combine multiple predictions into one single wager. In simple words, a parlay means you are betting on several outcomes at the same time, and all of them must be correct for you to win. Parlays are commonly used in sports betting, where a person predicts the results of multiple games. For example, if you bet on 3 teams to win in a parlay, all 3 teams must win for you to get paid. If even one prediction is wrong, the entire parlay bet is lost. The reason people choose parlays is because they offer higher potential payouts compared to placing separate bets on each game. For example, he placed a parlay on 4 football matches to try to win a bigger prize. This means he combined 4 bets into one to increase his possible winnings. However, parlays are also riskier because the chance of losing increases with each added prediction. Here are some more example sentences. She won her parlay because all her predictions were correct. He lost the parlay when one team failed to win. Parlays can offer big rewards but also higher risk. In simple terms, a parlay is a single bet that depends on multiple results all being correct. Easy way to remember. Parlay means many bets combined into one.